This is an example of incorrect formatting. Watch what I do. I'm going to remove the number 1 from this paragraph, and this number 2 should have changed and automatically updated to number 1. But it didn't. Why? Because this document was formatted improperly. So now I have to go through and I have to physically click on each one of these paragraphs and change the number manually. So I've got 15 paragraphs and I've got to go through and I've got to change them all manually. Or here is an example of correct formatting. Watch what happens. I want to remove the number 1 from this paragraph, and watch how number 2 and the rest of these numbers automatically update. I click, I turn off the numbering, and look at that. This paragraph renumbered, 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 all the way down. All 15 paragraphs renumbered. Why? Because I used correct formatting. This is why professional training in Microsoft Word is worth the investment. And that's it.